So the next question of coaches starters 114 is painting walls. So basically in this question, we can assume there are infinite walls of dimension xm into ym. This m means x dimension is in meters and y means y is in meters. So it is given that to paint 1 meter square of wall, it costs us 2 rupees. Now chef has z rupees. We should say how much. We should say how many walls of dimension x into m, which are in meters, can chef paint if he has z rupees.
Yeah, let's see how we can solve this question. So in the constraints, the values of x and y are up from 1 to 10, and the constraint on the z value is up till 100. Okay, and the number of test cases are up till 10 power 4. All right. So now we are given that it takes us 2 rupees for 1 meter square, right? And we have z rupees. So how many meter square can we paint with z rupees? It will basically just be z by 2, right?
Yeah.
That's simple. So basically, this is the number of meter squares we can paint, right? And we need to find out how many walls we can paint at max, right? So the dimensions of one wall, which is basically x into y, tells us that the area of one wall will be x into y meter square, right? Now we know the meter amount of meter squares in one wall, and we know the amount of meter squares we can paint, right? So basically, the answer will be z by 2 by x into y, right? So basically, area of one wall and the amount of meter squares we can paint. So yeah, that's
Integral part.
exactly right. And if there is some more, if we can paint some more meter squares, but it doesn't cover the wall, so basically it will be a floor division of this, right?
Yeah.
Because we cannot paint integral number of walls. I mean, number of walls must be an integer. So yeah, we cannot paint decimal number of walls. So yeah, this is how we solve the question.